You running low on diesel exhaust fluid for your vehicle? Well, I'm Sean, Workshop with Sean. Why don't you come on with me to Walmart? I'm going to show you how to save some money. All right, so which one do you choose? On the left, you have your BlueDEF. That's roughly $18 for this. On the right, you have your SuperTech DEF, which is probably the Walmart brand. On the right, what is the difference? Well, let's take a look. Ingredients: 67.5% water, 32.5% urea. All right. What do you know? 67.5% water, 32.5% urea. Folks, why would you pay $8 more a gallon, or not a gallon, but a container for this than this? It is the same thing. It does the same job. I know what I'm going with. I'm saving money. Folks, I love my truck. I don't think I'll ever go back to a gas job, but we still have to add our DEF fluid. This right here, that's right, folks. This is what I showed you that was over at Walmart. This is half the price of the blue or whatever that other one is. No, it does the same thing. Save your money where it counts. You don't need to buy the expensive BlueDEF. Why pay $10 more for that? You're paying for the cardboard box, my opinion, but you are. The ingredients are the same. All right, guys, I'll save money with you next time. Give me a like and a follow if this helped you out. I'll see ya.